In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional visibility in Glide. Conditional visibility lets you show or hide parts of your app based on your data, so every user sees exactly what's relevant to them. Think of revealing a Request Access button only when a user isn't approved yet, or showing a success message after a form is completed. It keeps your interface clean, focused, and personal. First, head to the Glide website and log in. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit. You'll see the builder with your app screen in the center, a panel on the left with your components, and a panel on the right where you configure whatever you've selected. Click the component you want to hide or show conditionally from the left sidebar or directly on the canvas. This could be anything: a button, an image, a list, or even an entire section. When you select it, it should highlight, and the right sidebar will update to show that component's settings. In the right sidebar, click Options. Scroll to the visibility area and click Add Condition. This is where the magic happens. You're telling Glide when this component should be visible. Choose the data you want to reference, pick the comparison, and then set the value. For example, you might show a button when status is approved, or show a note when a checkbox is true. If you're working with text, look for options like is not, or contains. For numbers, you'll see greater than or less than. Dates often include before or after, and for fields that might be empty, you can use is empty or is not empty. As you fine-tune the rule, watch the builder preview. The component should appear or disappear immediately as the condition evaluates. If your app's logic is more nuanced, you can refine the condition to match precisely what you need. But the core idea is simple. Pick the field, set the comparison, and enter the value that should control visibility. This keeps your screen uncluttered and makes complex interfaces feel effortless to users. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing pushes your changes live so your users will see the updated behavior. If you ever need to adjust, come back to the same spot, tweak the condition, and publish again. That's it. Clean, dynamic screens powered by your own data rules. If you liked this tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe.